everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much, and please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please leave a comment, and then also share this video with your friends and family. In today's video, I will be sharing a part 1, which is 3 separate videos of cleaning an oven. But first, removing the glass door front. And this was prompted because of a post that I read on Facebook inquiring if anyone knew that the front part of their oven door removes so that you can get to the glass. Well, I went to my daughter's oven and I saw she had screws, so it's made differently, but it still does come off. So to see how I do this process, just continue to keep watching. Hey everyone, I am going to do a video taking the front cover of the oven front, keeping in mind that all ovens are different models and different styles and the way they put the fronts on. However, this stove is very old, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, but mainly I'm going to focus on how the door comes off, and I'm going to take it off. Let me turn the camera around. You'll see here, it has a screw here and a screw here. And under the bottom, I thought it was 2. It's a total of 3 screws. One is here, one is in the middle, and one is on this end. So I'm going to record myself taking it off and then showing it to you. And I'm almost sure that if I take this off, there will be a screw where I can take the handle off too. I believe there would be a screw right inside behind this when I take it off. But I'm getting ready to take this off to kind of help those understand that does not have the stove that was in the picture where the front just slid off. I'm sure it can come off so you can clean the glass. It's just you have to look for screws if yours just doesn't slide off. So I'm getting ready to do that now. My camera or my phone Jimmy rigged here on top of a little table. I hope it doesn't fall, and I can't do it close enough, but it's a Phillips head, and if your Phillips head doesn't fit, you can always still use a flathead screwdriver on a Phillips head screw. Just put it in one of the slots, press it down, and just turn it. But I'm going to take it off, and I see that, and I'm doing that, I see the door has already, the top part has already lifted to come off. And it's not going to fall off because there's screws still under the bottom, see, and yeah, it is hard. It already has come off, and you see, here it is. I don't have to do that. You see the front is coming off. All the gunk, grease over time. But okay, you can see it came off, and just like I thought, there's screws there and here where I can take this off. So I can give this a good thorough cleaning. That's gross. And the glass part, this is it with the door off. I don't know what the purpose of this is for, but to get to the glass, there are screws here and a screw here. And screws there to take this off to get to the glass. So I think I'll take that off and I'll come back. Okay, I took the 4 screws off, and the reason why it's still on there, because there's a slit at the top, and I have to pull it down. So that's glass that can be cleaned. Good grief. Up here. And then the part that it was in, it can go. It just bends and goes in there. So this holds that glass and it goes in that slit. And I'll remember how to put it in one because I'm recording it. So now I can get to the glass and that comes out. So this is going to get a thorough cleaning today. Okay, I took the screws off of this that was holding the glass. Okay, this is the glass. OMG. The screws up. As far as the screws, I know this holds in the glass. I know this holds in the metal, and this puts the door back on. Okay, here it is, all clean, using baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Okay, everybody, I cleaned the glass part that was in the oven. And there it is. And all I used, let me get it out of my daughter's cabinet, was this and this. And the sponge. Well, let me get a dry one. And the back of the sponge. These three things together is what cleans this glass. A whole lot of muscle, just a little pressure, and it got that looking like this. So now I just have to clean the frosted one. Yeah, you can see the drips and the grime. I'm going to do the same process. So this is the one that goes on the inside. Yeah, that goes on the inside. And this is the one that goes on the outside that is attached to that metal part. So I'm going to clean that and I'll come back and let you see that. Okay, here's the frosted one. I started at 134 cleaning this, and it is now 138. And it is clean. You don't see the drip. So on both sides, it's clean. That's the frosted one. And last one. And this is the frosted one. This is the one that goes in front of that. So now I got what would have been the parts that took me the longest. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start on the outside of the stove. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.